Welcome to the 7th video of the ELS New Features video series. Today we'll be discussing importing projects from DXF. Autodesk's AutoCAD is one of the most widely used software tools to create shop drawings for all the structural details like component dimensions and reinforcement details. One of the amazing features in ELS is that you can import DXF drawings from AutoCAD as drawing objects. The imported drafting can be used as a guide in model creation or can be converted to structural components. Let's get started. Just to show you how to export a DXF from AutoCAD, from the File menu, select Save As, choose DXF, then choose where you want to save it. Now moving on to ELS, let's start in the File menu and select Import and select the DXF extension. Select the file units to ensure they match and the lines are imported at the correct size. If you look here on the right in the Structure menu, all of the drawing layers were imported. Let's uncheck all of the imported draft layers and check only the layers we're going to look at for this example. We can automatically convert these draft lines into columns by selecting all of the rectangles. Right-click on their layer in the Structure menu, then press Recognize Columns. Enter the column dimensions limits, then the ELS will create columns based on the level's height. Pretty nice, right? You can see all the columns were created with reinforcement and everything. Now let's hide the column draft layer and show the girder draft layer and convert these to girders. We'll select two lines of the girder's boundary and right-click, then select Convert two lines to girder. I'll go ahead and repeat on all the girder lines to make all of the girders. Let's move on to the slabs. I'll start by adding new draft layer. Then using rectangular or polyline, I'll draw the slab, then right-click and select Convert to Slab. Do this for all of the slab areas. Next, we'll show all of the objects for level 1 and check the integrity of the model to ensure there are no conflicts. You'll notice in this example that it found a number of items overlapping each other and is recommending a cutting plan to adjust any overlaps. We'll go ahead and select OK and go with the recommended cutting. Once that's done, check the integrity again. And there you have it. Since this structure is the same for the next few levels, we can copy this one up. To do this, Select level 1 and right-click to copy. Then right-click on structure and select paste. And there it is, a multi-story structure created from line drawings imported from an AutoCAD DXF project. As you can see, this makes modeling in ELS a little easier if you already have drawings. For more information, visit us at extremeloading.com.